Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a website on InfinityFree. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to upload a website on InfinityFree, you have to follow these steps. First, log into your InfinityFree account and go to your Accounts section. If you don't have a hosting account yet, create one with a domain or subdomain and wait until it becomes active. Once it's active, click on Control Panel for that account. Inside the Control Panel, open the File Manager. Then go to the Docs folder because this is the main public folder where your website files must be placed. If there are any default files inside, like index2.html, you can delete them to avoid conflicts. Now click Upload and upload your website files such as your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and other assets. Make sure your main file is named index.html or index.php because that is what loads first when someone visits your site. If your website is large, you can upload a zip file and then extract it inside the Docs folder to save time. Another option is using an FTP client like FileZilla. For that, open FTP details in your InfinityFree dashboard, enter them in FileZilla, connect, and then drag and drop your files into the Docs folder. Once the upload finishes, visit your domain or subdomain in a browser. Your website should now be live. If it doesn't show immediately, wait a few minutes for changes to propagate and then refresh. And that's it. So that's basically how you can upload a website on InfinityFree. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.